What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So I've been away for a couple days. Didn't really look at the market too much, but today in this video I want to kind of look through a bunch of stuff with you. It's almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon, April 7th. So I thought, we could just look through a bunch of stuff together. Might be a long video. We had the trades on iRobot. It's kind of coming down to this. Was it 118 level? I forgot why this was significant. Yeah, these are weekly candles, so got like 2 big weekly candles as over here. We got this weekly candle as well as some support back here, but whoops, hopefully it'll hold. We got these nice wicks too, actually pretty interesting. But yeah, was it today? Today's Wednesday actually. Yeah, wow, time's going by really fast. I'm really hoping it holds here at this. I'm gonna see, today. It shouldn't break this, but if it does, that'd be very sad. Hopefully tomorrow it continues higher, because we did have a nice up. What is it? We're in at 111. So, we had up like 12%. It's gotta have a little bit of a pullback, so pullback like 5%, that's okay. Hopefully it continues higher. Looking to get out 128, 130. At least cut half the trade. Same thing, Rocket Mortgage. This thing's kind of just losing money, to be honest. I should probably get out of this, but I don't know. We'll just keep it for now. So gold and silver had a pretty decent day. So yeah, I can finally buy some more KL if I want. I was kind of hoping it wouldn't go up like 10% in 2 days, but we do have this kind of resistance, so maybe if it pulls back a little bit, like 33 bucks or something, we'll see. Maybe I'll add some, but just gotta be patient with that. If I liquidate Rocket Mortgage, I'll probably end up putting it into KL. That candle, these 2 candles, or 3, kind of showing some weakness, so hopefully it'll fall from here a little bit just so I can re-enter. I guess we could take a look at gold and silver at the same time. Yeah, we had that like kind of double bottom bounce. Yeah, silver. Let's see what's moving right now. Plug is down 8.5 or 8.25%. Neo's actually down a lot too, still moving down. Yeah, I mean, it did get this higher low here, but like, I just think it's too weak. I think we're gonna see some more down still. If it comes back to like 20 bucks, depending on how rapidly it does, that'd be pretty good. We could look at daily candles, because no, there's no point. I don't like to trade with those, there's really no point. Space is down a lot today, it's still moving down about 5%. Let's just get rid of these drawings. I'd be interested if it comes back to 23. Actually, there's a lot of things down today. Workhorse, Airbnb, First Solar, Wayfair. I was watching the news, or not news, but like, CNBC. Is it CNBC? Whatever, yeah, the stock channel is. Some dude was talking about like the potential breakout Wayfair on here. I mean, I wouldn't really call this like a high probability breakout, but it definitely has tried to poke its way up. It's in this channel. This wick is pretty scary, just because, not scary, but kind of really bearish. But yeah, maybe it'll go up, but eventually. But I'm not really betting that. I'd rather wait to see if it drops. I just like to hear what other people have to say. Snapchat is on another tear. It's up 6% today, as of right now. It's definitely looking to close out really strong. Smith & Wesson's up a pretty good amount too. Gonna have that bounce. What's that one? Where is it? VA, yeah. Kind of formed a base around 40 bucks. Interesting. Some hedge fund that had this. I dug a little deeper. Some hedge fund was over leveraged in this company or something, or just in their portfolio, and they had to sell, and just anarchy started to happen. So, I mean, I don't want to catch a falling knife, but this could be an interesting opportunity. If this company is, pretty good to buy. Why is my mouse doing that? What's the yield actually right now? 0.24 times 4 divided by 44. It's like a 2.1%. Let's check out a big time frame really quick. Okay. Yeah, I would like to quickly scan through a bunch of stuff. I guess we can just do our main things right now. Honestly, Bitcoin's looking a little weak, just as I quickly glance at this, right? I mean, you're still getting these higher lows, but you're also getting this wedgie, yeah. Interesting. Interesting. I know Disney made a similar pattern back here. You see that weird wedge, but this broke up based on news, and Bitcoin is kind of more based on for the most part, the technicals. But look at that really low volume day. What day was that? 4/2. Wasn't that Easter? No. Yeah, I guess the Friday before Easter. Take a look at yeah, so I mean it doesn't look like much. This is crude. Take a look at the mega pattern. So right now, if I'm playing off the price of oil, and these oil companies, this is my kind of signal, right? Man, that is a lot of volume though on here, but I kind of want to see this bounce. If this bounces, that'd be crazy. I mean, man, it is up a lot. Last year, it's up 250%. Is it actually up that much? Yeah, because last year, yeah. It went down a lot because of COVID, yeah. But I do think crude will go higher. Yeah, what's gonna happen right now? Hold on. It's actually up so much. You kind of want to see a pullback, but fundamental indicators or economic indicators gonna kind of show this. Yeah, we do got 1, 2, 3, 5 weekly candles really supporting this trend line, and this is a big trend line. That's massive trend line. 12, 13 years, multiple touches. Actually, that's pretty interesting too. But yeah, I think it goes up. Maybe it goes back to retest. Man, I don't. Maybe $50 because it is at 60. Maybe 50. Actually, this is pretty big. Support area or resistance. Yeah, you got a lot of prices here too. Yeah, about here is interesting. About, roughly $60. I would say $60, but around that area. Very interesting prices for crude. We got that Exxon. It's hanging out. It's been hanging out. Why is this 20 days? Do I want to add more? Oof, this is spicy. I would like to re-enter SM. It just sucks buying it this expensive relative to what I had it for. Was really hoping to see single digits again. Yeah, oh, actually we should probably keep going in order. AMD would have been still a pretty good play off of that $75. Definitely, I'm not looking to enter this now, but we ended up taking the other play. Coursera would have been spicy too. Really waiting for MO. You can already see it does look like it's falling a little bit. Hopefully it shows some weakness to here. I don't think we're gonna get that 47. And I do want to get into this mega pattern, where this is a big boy play. Maybe $50. No, it's 50 now. But I really want to skimp out on it. Yeah, it's only 5%. It is extended, at least a little bit. It's definitely breaking out, but this is one of those things, like, looking back, like, this will probably go to 47 just in, like, a long enough time, maybe a month or two, but I don't know if I want to wait that in case it does break, but I don't want to be hasty either. Definitely, I want to add this. Also, I don't know if we talked about iRobot. I know, yeah, we did, but I might be looking to get out today if this does break down. But yeah, right now we're chilling. Yeah, I did talk about that. Dave and Buster's is still trekking along. Oh, it did kind of pull back. I don't know if that's a strong enough support area that I want to take a position on. It's pretty strong. I'd rather get this though. So many more candles. There's some like bird in the back making some noise. I hope you guys can't hear it. I mean, it's kind of cute though, just chirping away, but yeah. I'm still 37 bucks, I think would be a better price. Look at that declining volume even on an increasing move. I mean, obviously the price does get more expensive, so in nature, and especially if it's going up like 100%, like, yeah, and there should be less volume kind of just to begin with because it's getting so much more expensive. Oh, Q, that's interesting. Just a gap up, breakout kind of. That's actually really surprising. You do have that fading volume too. Just to be cognizant of that. Yeah, I was watching Tesla too. I know Tesla did pretty good. Or it moved like 14%, yeah. Impressive, but I don't know. It's just fun to watch. I'm gonna quickly scan through a bunch of stuff just because I feel like I need to. We're looking for, our Apple still, even though it hasn't done much the last couple months, it's still hanging on somewhat to that trend line. For the most part, definitely on a weekly time frame, it's definitely holding up. Actually, we did have that week right here where it's kind of weak. So, if we didn't have this candle here, I would say this is a really good ascending triangle pattern. Not really good. Yeah, minus this candle, I think it'd be pretty good. Yeah, without this candle, it'd be a pretty good ascending triangle, but I don't know if I'm looking to play this. Actually, we should definitely add this to the list. It's looking really good on weekly. But again, I don't like that spooky candle. This was February 1st, that week. No, end of January. Okay. That's... Huh. Interesting. I gotta think about this for a second. Because... So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 candles here. That's right around earnings. It could just be an extended earnings play. Or people just bid it up too much. It got shot down. It is Apple. People... A lot of money's held up in this though. I mean, if anything, what's this measured move potentially? I guess if you really wanted to do it, 50%. I don't know if I would say that, to be honest. I would just probably play off a psychological level. 50% is a little too much, especially for Apple. 150, 160 maybe. We'll come back to this in the near future, but I like those plays with those setups. It's just that one candle kind of bugs me out a little bit, What's this? Oh yeah, AMAT, AMC, yeah. I feel like we haven't been finding any good plays lately. I mean, it's just kind of gotta be patient and not force things, but I feel like I've been forcing dumb plays, which I mean sometimes it's okay because you make some money, but like this rocket mortgage play, kind of just losing money, just sitting there doing nothing. But even if I take it out, like I don't know where it's gonna go. I mean, I guess I talked about it before, probably KL I'm gonna add. But again, like KL, it's more of like an investment, just reallocating at a lower price, getting the tax advantage. DoorDash is forming kind of like a base. I actually had this play. 1, 170. Could have had like a $6 move. That's not the best play, but it's something. Really looking for these volatility channels. Wait, oh, Duke Energy popping off. Wow. This is eBay. Kind of interesting channel going on. Oh, Facebook came back. Wow. It's pushing really high. They earned $3.88 last quarter. Or their EPS, that's pretty good. Relatively, I guess it's pretty good. What is this? No, I don't want to get trapped in one of those First Solar. General Dynamics, jeez. Almost 180. I don't know why that company is on here. Alphabet, jeez, that's crazy. 22.50 now. That's pretty wild. Why did I sell much shares? I don't know. Home Depot. Riding, trekking along. Still scanning, not seeing much. That's interesting. Lockheed Martin. I kind of do want to start investing in some defense companies. But, you know, it's like a space I want to get into, but I also, like, their yields aren't really always too good. I feel like their dividend yields are always kind of high. Or not high, sorry, their price to dividend ratio is pretty high. NUE. That's like a little bear or bull flag, but it's too small for me. Not really interested enough. What is this? Pepsi. Oh, Pepsi climbing right back to where it was. Let's see, I just realized I haven't updated. Oh wow, Pinterest took off. Jeez. From like 65 to 85, $20 move. Maybe like a week or two. And pretty impressive. BLTR and just being all sad. It's really surprising actually. Like I don't know why it's so much weak, or the weakness. Very, very weak. What is that big strong Pizza Hut or Papa John candle? Like every time I come across Pizza or Papa John, I just say Pizza Hut because their ticker is PCZA. Yeah, nothing's looking too spicy to be honest right now. The only thing that's looking spicy is Apple, and I don't know if I really want to get in that yet, or really at all. Stitch Fix, this would probably be a high volatility like play. It's kind of holding up on that big gap up. Might be a little too risky for me, especially because we have Rocket Mortgage. Wait, what company is this? Shopify. It's like, what's $1,000? And Sony, why is it not loading? I guess we don't need to see Sony. Okay. Is this actually something? So we got resistance, we have an up move, right? We do have that pullback though, which is a little weird. In the up move, no, I guess that's fine. Up move, touch, fall, touch the same price about, fall, touch. Okay, this is kind of an ascending triangle. I would like to see 3 points. If this comes back, so that's Simon Property. I mean, Simon Property is something I'd rather invest in than trade. But right around like 150, I guess 145 will be safe. Maybe even that. Let's see we get it like at 113. That just seems too good to be true. Let's do monthly candles to probably get a better. Oh, right now we're at. Yeah, this line seems to be pretty significant. That's probably where it's at right now. this angle right. Come on. Yep, perfect. Yeah, then we got this. This is probably the bigger or better support area. Or resistance. And I guess support, depending on how you look at it. So here's that line. Maybe, let's say we catch the move. Let's say we get a 113. That seems pretty spicy to me. Now, I think this is something I'm going to play. Simon property. Let's see this measured move just for, yeah, 28%. About, you know, let's say you get it. Or, I mean, I guess you do at the breakout. But I don't know if I would consider it at the breakout. So here to here should be like about 28. No, it's 20. I mean, I'd be fine trying to get it for about 1, right here, right around here. Stop loss maybe, stop loss be at 5%. Because you don't want it to fall below this candle, this trend line. Probably 20%, that's still like a 4 to 1. I think I like it. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna watch that. Now we gotta go all the way back to S's. Spotify. I'm surprised we actually found like kind of one pattern. We haven't been finding any. Absolutely nothing. Oh, target's at 200 bucks. Jeez. This is kind of interesting. Wait, look at this. Ooh. This is Toyota Motors. How come I never noticed this? We also got like a little channel here. Kind of really choppy with the, because I guess this trades aftermarket and stuff. Or, another exchange a lot. Yeah, not really too interested in that type of movement, but it seems okay. Taiwan semi. Hold on 1 second. I was making sure my thing was still recording. Sometimes it might stop. Alright, we're getting down to the end, so I think we found 2 pretty good ascending triangle plays. Kind of gotta wait for a better entry. Even Verizon kind of is an ascending triangle play on just a massive time frame. But I'm kind of just no, I wouldn't really consider, I would not consider that ascending triangle. I mean, it could be, but I wouldn't trade that. Yeah, wait for it. It looks like trading in that range, 250 to 350. But there's other better stuff in my opinion to look at. Workhorse, feel bad. Feel super sad. Maybe I'll add some to Exxon. I was completely wrong on this Zoom play. Maybe I should just get rid of this, save myself the embarrassment. That would have been a sad play. Whoops. The thing really fell. So, I think we actually do have some good plays. I gotta clean up my charts, or my watch lists. Apple, I do like it on weekly candles for kind of like a ascending triangle breakout, maybe to like 160, maybe 150, just some psychological level. Not too confident, but maybe. Again, MO, chillin', we're watching that. Hopefully, we get that pullback. This is my big boy play. What would you say, Simon property? I do like it. It's definitely an ascending, or not definitely, it's a high probable ascending triangle pattern. You got the up move. Off of earnings, you got some price resistance. You got a bounce. Big, nice candle. Wake up. You got that bounce, heavy, strong. Not too much volume on the buying there, but it's a big, strong candle. Okay, what don't I like about it? I think I just need some more candles. I think this could be a good move. Got vaccine news coming out, or more people getting the vaccines. I might save this business. Actually, what's the dividend to? Just curious. 1.3 times 4 divided by 116. You get 4.48% yield, which is still yeah, I think I like it. I'd definitely sell Rocket, iRobot. feel like I need to raise some cash with something. I don't know what it would be. Still considering liquidating most of the NEM position. I do like it, but I love KL more, and I do have a lot of still gold to silver exposure. Still pretty bullish on it, the sector, but I also don't want to. Like, I'm definitely over leveraged. I've been over leveraged for a while, and it didn't necessarily make the move I thought it was. But despite this, like, 20%, 15% drop in gold price, like, my portfolio still did quite well. We are pretty low, like, I keep saying that though, so we'll see what happens, I guess. What I'm trying to say. But yeah, anyway, let's see what time it is. It's like 2:24. Let's check our robot. Let's actually, so we are getting a little bit of buying, which is good. Do we want to see that? I guess we could look at like, no, let's look at 5-minute candles. We are getting that bounce, so I'm probably not looking to sell this as of right now. I mean, even if it drops back down to here, we are getting some buying, but we still have an hour and a half to the market. Not too much time. But yeah. Let's check it. Rocket Mortgage one more time. It's just falling down, but anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. I'm gonna try to update the Discord in a little bit of things I'm looking at. But for now, that's all. Have a good night, everybody, and I'll talk to you guys real soon.